Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys, a very short video for some of you that might be stuck in the middle of a brake job. Okay, it happened to us in the past and that's why I decided to make that video. So, if you're working on rear brake pads guys and you don't know how to compress the rear brake caliper, stay with us, we'll show you how to do that now. Most vehicles are that way and it's super easy when you know what you're doing. Alright guys, this is the brake caliper, okay, right here. And you're wondering now, you put new brake pads, it doesn't fit on the brakes, how to compress it. The front ones, you just push them in, okay, but the rear ones are in a different way. Most of them, some will have to be pushed in, some will have to be turned clockwise. Stay with us to see what tool we use and how we're going to do that now. Alright guys, we got the brake caliper compressor kit right here and we're going to use the right hand side since we're using on the right hand side of the vehicle. Now check out how the thing is formed on the inside. Okay, you see it has four things, so most likely we will need to use this one guys right here. You need to get your attachment and feed it over to make sure that it works before you install it. Perfect, great. So now we're going to get our tool, install it on the thing, and like that, and you need to turn clockwise. You just go like that, clockwise. And we almost forgot guys, something that you should do. You should clean right here with a brake cleaner the caliper piston, because it's going to go in the seal and you don't want to have any dust and dirt. It happens guys, I mean that's why we're videoing everything even when we make a mistake, so you can learn from it as well, because we're humans, we forget things. So we use a little bit of silicone spray now, white lithium grease spray, and apply a little bit on the piston. That way when it goes in the seal it can lubricate, because otherwise it's too dry, and we don't want to damage the seal. So now we can continue using the tool and compressing the piston. You need to just turn it clockwise. Check it out, it's going in. It will take you a little bit, but you just turn it clockwise until it's all the way in. Now you need to adjust the notch on it. Let me show you the bottom one, this one right here, because let me show you why. The old part, this is the old part right here. This bump right here goes in this notch on this one, so you gotta make sure that you get it in the same position that it used to be. So that's how you compress most of the modern rear brake calipers guys. Not very complicated when you have the tool. We'll have the link in the description of the video, make sure you check it out. Please subscribe guys and let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.